Hey there, folks. Thursday afternoon. Wanted to give an answer to the question, which I'm pretty sure we're going to get. How do I integrate my Azure Databricks with Azure Machine Learning to work to run big data machine learning jobs? And so I'll share this link with you. I'll actually share the whole workbook with you. But basically, what you're doing is going through this step by step. So let's go down here. So first, you're creating a Databricks cluster. I'm going to show you this in a few minutes. Then you make sure that you've got the Azure ML SDK ready. Then you create your Databricks notebook, create the workspace object, create the Databricks compute object, then the data store connection, and then you're going to build a data prep pipeline. And for each pipeline, you're going to create a folder in your workspace and create a notebook, and then an input and output data reference. And this is actually documented really well at the Element 61 page for Databricks, right? So we're worth taking a look at this. It's probably a little bit complex for the 100, 200 level that we've talked about here, but I'm going to show you the different things that you might want to use. Also, if you're comfortable with MLflow, they have an alternative down here, which is to use an MLflow notebook. And again, we can talk about the differences between how we do Azure MLflow and how MLflow is just native. So the things that you need to have working is you need to have your machine learning environment, where I've got Studio launched. That's where we've been in most of the prior discussion. The second thing is you need to have Databricks up, and I actually created a cluster here for you just to take a look at what that looks like. And I'm just using just a basic cluster here. And then obviously you have to tie these together. And then I also built a DevOps starter site because you're going to want to connect this to GitHub. Right? So, and here is where you would be adding workflow file, which would be deploying an application or a project or a pull request or whatever. So those are the elements. And again, the page here that we're looking at is a, how do I do this thing? So hopefully that'll be helpful. We can dive in deeper. It's a little more advanced topic, and so it might be kind of something you want to do as homework, and then we can come back and discuss it once you've been through the tutorial. Thanks a lot. I hope that's useful, folks. You can have a good day.